G'day and welcome to Dude Hack. My name is Steve and today we're talking about why you should delete your Tinder. Now, I know a lot of you would be scratching your heads thinking that maybe I've done a complete 180 and I'm no longer going to be talking about Tinder, but that's not the case. Don't worry guys, I do suggest we actually download Tinder again afterwards, okay? We're not going to get rid of it altogether. We're just going to talk about a couple of benefits that do come from deleting your Tinder every now and again. So there is definitely a couple of reasons I suggest this. So first and foremost, if you've been on Tinder for longer than a few months or however long it is, think about it. Every single woman or whoever your preference is, every single person that's come across your profile, if they've swiped left on you before, they're unfortunately never going to see you again unless they've deleted their Tinder or you have. So you go ahead and you delete your Tinder, you then reinstall it. All of those people who now are never going to see you again now have a fresh set of eyes on you. The second scenario that it works quite well is, let's just say that you've been watching a lot of my videos, you've taken on board some help, you have a new bio, new photos, whatever it is. That would be the perfect time to delete your Tinder, have a clean slate, a fresh start, and then everybody is going to see the new you. So the other reason I suggest you do go ahead and delete your Tinder if you are, wanting a fresh start or you've gotten some new photos, whatever the reason, is what happens when you first download Tinder or re-download Tinder is you get what I like to call a new user boost. So some of you might be familiar with what a boost is, a paid boost. It's basically putting yourself at the very top of the pile, at the front of the list, number one or near there. And what's going to happen is any single time a female is swiping or a male is swiping in that moment of time that you have got your new user boost going, you are going to pop up. You are going to be someone that potential match sees. So you can imagine if you've just gotten your new photos, whatever it is, new bio, you want to show off, you delete your Tinder. Not only is it a clean slate and every single one of those girls that has swiped left on you before are now going to see you, but on top of that, you have a new user boost and there's going to be plenty of eyes on your profile. Now, yes, it sounds really good. And the problem with that is there is people that just take advantage of it or do it the wrong way. You do not want to be one of those guys that does this over and over and over again. I don't know about you, but I've come across girls that when I'm swiping through, I see them over and over again. And I know that they've deleted their Tinder, they've re-downloaded again. And to me, I'm personally never going to swipe right on one of those people. Now, the other reason why you definitely shouldn't do this all the time and save it for maybe one of those first scenarios we were talking about is you're never going to get a chance to make a proper connection with someone. If you're just going ahead and deleting your Tinder every few days or weeks, anytime you have a decent conversation going with a match, you're just going to cut it short. The next time you hop on Tinder, that person you matched with, they're most likely not going to match with you again. So over time, you just keep doing this, your matches are going down, 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 down. Don't do it. So guys, I hope that sort of clears things up a little bit. I know a lot of you will be clicking on this video thinking, what the hell is Steve going to be talking about? Or if you are new here, you're probably wanting some reasons to delete it and not reinstall it. So I am sorry for that. But guys, if you have liked today's video or you are one of those new people here, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help out in these early days. Please give me a subscription. I will be giving you these videos most days. And guys, until next time, I'm looking forward to it and I will see you later.